Okay, so welcome to today's video. We're doing a tour of the Hotel Sol Arona Tenerife. This is a hotel based in Los Cristianos in Tenerife, and the goal of the video is to just show you what you can expect if you are planning on booking this hotel. So here we are just outside the hotel. There is plenty of free parking available if you are driving here, and now we're in the lobby reception area. So my room was on the 8th floor. I stayed in room 810. So let's check out the room. So entering the room, you can see it's quite a basic room. We have a tiled floor. We have a sofa there, which is actually a sofa bed. So although this hotel room advertises for 2 people, you could actually probably fit maybe 4 people here within this hotel room. Let's first check out the balcony because we are on the 8th floor, so let's check out the view. I have to say the view is definitely one of the best things in this hotel. I mean, I think that's a fantastic view. It also looks even better at night time, and I'll show you that a little bit later on in the video. Let's have a look at the room again. So there is a small TV here, that's an LG TV, and we've been given a kettle and some mugs. No mini fridge, unfortunately, but again, this is a 3-star hotel, so we aren't expecting an amazing amount of luxuries, but here we have a safe, and then let's move on to the bedroom. So we've got 2 twin beds pushed together to make a double bed. We've been given some extra blankets. There's a small desk there, and a window leading to the balcony. And then let's check out the bathroom. Oh wait, the light isn't working, so we need to put the card in the slot. Let's quickly do that. The bedroom actually looks nicer with the light, to be fair. It shows how much lighting makes a difference to a hotel room, but that's the bedroom now with some added light. And let's move on to the bathroom. We've got a toilet and a bidet there, a built-in hairdryer, some hand wash there, and they've given a few things like a shaving kit, a vanity kit, and that's the shower gel and shampoo. And that's the shower. Once you pull back that shower curtain. So now we're going to move on to the breakfast that the hotel provides. So breakfast is located in the Agora restaurant, which is in the lobby area. From here, breakfast is served 7:30 to 10:30 in the morning, and it's a buffet breakfast. So I'm going to give you a quick tour, which will show you what you can expect if you do have breakfast booked in your hotel package. Now we're going to move on to lunch at the hotel. So here is the lunch buffet. The timings of this buffet is 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Here's what you can expect. Dinner at the hotel is also served as a buffet, and the timings for dinner is 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Okay, so now after seeing all of that food, I'm just going to show you other parts of the hotel which you might be interested in. So we're just going to walk around the back of the hotel in the area where the pools are located. There's actually a pool bar just next to where the pool is called Blanco Bar, and from here you can get various drinks which are included in your all-inclusive package, and they also do food here which is also kind of like a buffet, so you can also get food from here too. So the hotel has two pools. It has one large pool and a smaller kids pool. Let's walk over to those. Here is the big pool. And here is the smaller kids pool. These are the sun lounges which are around the pools. And next to the pool area, there's also this play area for kids. Okay, now we're gonna walk back towards the hotel. There's also a sort of mini golf area here too, so I believe they were saying you can hire out the golf clubs for around a €10 deposit, but if you wanted to play mini golf, you can do that here too. And there's also like a sports bar here too. This is located just next to the restaurant, so from here you can get drinks, and there's also a few arcade machines and a pool table. So there's still a lot more stuff to show you in this hotel, so now we're going to walk downstairs and check out the shop of the hotel. This shop is open Monday to Sunday, 10 AM to 6 PM, and you'll be able to buy groceries. They have small gifts, they also sell clothes. So let's take a look inside this mini market. Outside this shop is a cool area where there's arcade machines and a pool table. Make sure you check out some of these photos of the hotel from the 70s. So it shows its construction, and interestingly, this hotel was actually called Princess Dasil. That's what it used to be called. And that's why actually there's a small fountain outside the hotel which says PD. There's also a pool table here. There's plenty of arcade machines. And there's also access to the gym from here too. So let's take a look at the gym. So for a hotel gym in a 3-star hotel, I'd say it's a decent gym. There's quite a few cardio machines. So there's a treadmill, a cross trainer, and a bike. And they have this multi-purpose weight machine where you can train back and shoulders and chest. And there's a few benches there too. There isn't really many free weights. I think there's just a couple of 2 or 3 kilogram dumbbells. But for a 3-star hotel gym, I wasn't really expecting too much. Again, for cardio equipment, there's quite a few things. The weight side of things is lacking, but at least they have that multi-function gym tool there. So decent gym, nothing too crazy, but here we go. And last thing I want to show you is a small little club or bar which the hotel has. This is actually next to the shop, so I think it opens around 10 p.m. They usually advertise when there's some kind of event or singer who's present. But yeah, here is the singer who was on. So we've made it to the end of the video. Here is the final view which I'm going to show you from my hotel room. Leave a comment if you have any questions about this hotel, and thank you very much for watching.